Every agency faces the same three problems. Finding leads usually means paying for a list, sometimes hundreds of dollars for names that go stale fast. Even reaching out usually means one generic mail to all of them and nobody replies. Doing it again next week is literally starting from the scratch. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to solve all three problems using Runable. So let's do this. Head to the main page and on the left sidebar, you can see the plugin section. In the plugin section, you can see included by Runable. Before the prompts, this is the part that people miss. Runable already comes with a full set of data connectors built in always. Includes SMB data, company data, ads data, reviews data, and even jobs data. Everything you're about to see runs on data that's already included. But before we start, I'll walk you through the models we are using for today. For image generation, we are using GPT-2. And for video generation, we are using Cadence 2.0. We'll also be using the Ultra model of Runable for all these complex tasks to get the best output. So head to the main page. We'll start with the first prompt. The first prompt does two things at once. It teaches Runable who I am and it will also find leads for me. You can also use the ask option to generate your prompt. So here I've generated a prompt that will meet my needs. It describes what I do, what my company does, my target group and my requirements. As you can see, after some time, Runable pulls real business data and gives the complete details of each business, along with the flag column if they don't have a website, which is already useful since that becomes your first pitch before you have even researched about the brand. Once you have all these inside an Excel sheet, we'll move to the next round of prompting. Now in the next prompt, we'll ask Runable to audit every lead and add these columns, whether the business is already running Meta, Google, TikTok or LinkedIn ads. We'll identify them and sort them into whether they are spending well, spending badly or not advertising at all. We'll also apply two more filters, one for reviews and one for hiring. Specifically whether they have posted any marketing job listings in the last 90 days. This way we can identify who's already spending money, whose reviews are slipping and who's hiring for a role I could fill for a fraction of their salary. After a while you'll have the data you just requested for. So the third prompt merges the data and has Runable rank the leads. So you can find the right person to reach out in the company. The prompt that I am going to give is to merge all 50 leads. Categorize them into tier A, B and C. Then keep the tier A and B, removing the C. Then after that, find the relevant person's name, title, verified email, LinkedIn and even the WhatsApp number. Everything below tier C gets thrown out. That's the whole point. The lesser leads, the better. I only paid to enrich contacts for leads that already passed the scoring model and not all 50. After that comes the fourth prompt, outreach and sending. In this part, we'll create a pitch deck with real numbers on the chart. It's not a template. It's specific checkable facts about their business backed by a personal deck. 25 emails a day, not thousands of blind outreach messages. Before we proceed further, we have to connect our Gmail account first. To do this, you'll have to head to the plugin section again, where you'll find the option to connect all of your Google services. You'll have to grant a few permissions and then Runable will be able to access your Gmail account. Once you give the fourth prompt, Runable will ask a few questions. Your agency name, your email address, whether you want to send the PDF as a link or an attachment, the number of slides and the deck format. Answer all the question and then proceed further. In the chat, it'll show you a few templates so you can select the vibe you want for the deck. Once you select the vibe that you want and submit it, it will generate the entire deck in that style. After some time, it will generate a preview slide so you can confirm whether you want it to proceed further or not. Once you approve everything, it will trigger the mails to the selected people. To check this out, I went to my sent email option inside Gmail. It had already sent the outreach message to everyone that was marked as tier A and tier B. Now comes the last part of this workflow, which is to automate these tasks. Let's automate this task by setting up Runable to run it every week. I'm going to have Runable send outreach emails every Monday by 8 a.m. Every Monday morning, new leads will land in your inbox, fully researched with opening line already written. Before I end the video, let me sum up what happened. 50 leads were found without buying a list. They were scored, personalized outreach was written and sent for them. and the whole thing runs itself by every Monday. So that's Runable solving all three problems for a marketing agency: lead generation, qualification, and outreach. You can also check out Runable Academy website for more videos. See you in the next video where I'll show you how to build a functional website for your agency.